Okay, good day. I am from Global Ace Agency here in Malaysia and I am the Philippine recruiter. I receive your buy data from Good Day Agency under Jazz. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you speak English or can you understand English?
A little bit, ma'am, but I understand English.
Are you a 100% willing to come here in Malaysia without any hesitation?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you have any friends or any family members working here?
No, ma'am.
Our interview this is recorded and it will be uploaded in our YouTube channel, but at the same time your profile will be uploaded in our website. Do you agree?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, what is your name?
My name is Cinco Alona. I am 34 years old. I was born on March 20, 1990. I am a Christian Alliance, and I have four kids, three boys and two girls.
O-
My height is five flat, and weight is 52 kilograms.
Okay, I need to know some few more details from you. Are you single or married?
Ma'am,
Married.
ma'am.
What about your educational background?
I'm a college graduate, ma'am, Bachelor of Elementary Education.
Okay, so you are a teacher.
Yes, ma'am.
Do you have any experience in the Philippines there as a teacher? Did you teach already?
No, ma'am.
What happened? Why you decided to go abroad to work as a domestic helper?
Not enough salary, ma'am.
Not enough salary. So you mentioned that you have four children, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Is your family allow you to come and work here in Malaysia?
Yes, ma'am, 100%.
Who will going to take care of your children once you come to work here?
My mother-in-law and sister-in-law, ma'am.
How many brother and sister do you have and what is your rank in your family?
I have four brothers and two sisters. I'm the second of them.
Okay, what about your parents?
My mother is a plain housewife, and uh, she is 54 years old, and my father is a fisherman and carpenter, and he is 60 years old.
Okay, so being a domestic helper is very tough, okay? Are you ready for any task that the employer will be given to you?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you sure?
Yes, ma'am.
You need to be flexible, you need to be multitasking, you need to expect those unexpected things because you might don't know that those you didn't experience in the Philippines, you might experience here in Malaysia, okay? In your by data, it was stated that you is it what? Are you a full-time mother way back 2018 to 2024?
Fish vendor, ma'am. Actually, I sell an fish in the market,
Okay, so you
and
are a fish vendor for 6 years.
yes, ma'am. And I'm
Okay.
a full-time mom.
Okay, so are you okay to take care of children while doing house chores at the same time?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you take care of baby?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you take care of elderly people?
No, ma'am.
Can you cook?
Yes, ma'am.
What variety of cuisine you can prepare?
Filipino dishes, ma'am.
Can you caregiving for bedridden patient and disabled person?
No, ma'am.
Are you comfortable taking care of pets?
Maybe, ma'am.
Yes or no?
Uh, yes, ma'am.
Okay, can you speak Malay or Mandarin?
No, ma'am.
Okay.
But I'm willing to learn.
Okay, so you will going to sign a 2 years contract. It's not 2 days, it's not 2 weeks, it's not 2 months, and it's not 1 year. Any uncertain situations that might happen to your family back in the Philippines, please be remind yourself that you cannot easily go back home, okay?
I understand, ma'am.
Once you breach your contract, you know that there will be a consequences which is you need to pay your employer and at the same time the agency as nobody force you to come and work here in Malaysia, correct?
I agree, ma'am.
Okay, using of mobile handphone, you are not allowed to use your phone during working time, but instead you can hold your phone during nighttime only after you've done your job for the whole day. And you will render your phone on the next morning before you start your work.
I agree, ma'am.
But if we found out that if you cannot cope up your job on the next morning, you feel groggy and you don't have the energy to work because due to misuse of mobile handphone, you sleep very late at night, then very sorry to inform you that we will going to tell your employer that you were allowed to use your phone during nighttime for 2 to 3 hours only, okay?
I agree, ma'am.
On your rest day also, you are entitled to have a once a week rest day, but you are not allowed to go out. We will going to adhere with our terms and conditions, okay? So, if you will going to work on your rest day, employer will going to compensate your salary. Are you okay with our terms and conditions?
Yes, ma'am. I will.
Are you sure?
Yes, ma'am. I agree with that
I want
100%.
Okay, I want it to be clarified and to be cleared. We don't want later to have such a problem. We don't want that you guys will going to demand us about all these things. Wherein in our initial interview, we already inform you about all of these things, okay? And you also agree. We don't want to have such a problem later, so we will going to adhere with it, okay?
Yes, ma'am. Thank you.
Okay, so how will you gonna fight your homesickness knowing that you are a first timer and you are working quite far away from your family? Homesickness will frequently attack you. How will you gonna handle it?
I will call my family, ma'am, and I always read the Bible and I pray and I overcome the homesickness.
Okay, so as I have mentioned many times already, this is not the Philippines. We need to humble ourselves, okay? We need to follow the
Yes,
rules and regulations of the employer because we are the one who are working inside their premises. Respect the employer, okay? So any problems, any concerns, you inform your employer directly because you are the one staying inside there for 2 years, okay?
yes, ma'am.
Okay, so what will you do if the employer get angry with you but you didn't do anything wrong?
You pray for them and also you come and be patient.
Okay, so are you a type of person that answering back their employer?
No, ma'am.
Okay, what will you do if the employer lose her temper or their temper?
I will not talk back of them.
Are you sure?
Yes, ma'am.
Even they will going to curse you, you're not talking back with them?
It's okay, ma'am, because I have God in my life.
Okay, so that's all. As I have mentioned a while ago, this is not the Philippines, okay? We need to humble ourselves, yeah?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I think that's all for now. Thank you for your time. It was my pleasure meeting you. But please stay connected through WhatsApp because Global Ace agents will going to contact you to conduct an interview together with the employer, okay? Thank you
Okay,
so
ma'am.
much
Have a
and
good
have a
day.
good day. Bye.